Hey everyone, it's Chris O from Down Under, Queensland, Australia. What we're coming up to now is quite an important part because I've got to, hang on, I'll put this sucker on my head. I have got to work that way, away. I've got a tile away from my tiles, right? So I need to put tiles in here, and I'll mix up a couple of buckets of glue, and I'll stay in here and come back as far as I can. It is an absolute no-no, people, to think that you're clever and you don't measure across there and go, rightio, I want to be a clever bugger, and measure up here, and you start and think you're going to run into your tile there. No, you always work away from your tile. And yes, I'm tiling myself into a corner, so I'll come back as far as I can. And then gently walk over my laid tiles. Because they're clipped, I can walk, you know, sort of once over my tiles just to get out. And then I'll be doing the same here. I'll be working myself into a corner, so I'll come back as far as I can, and that's it until the next day. And then I go a few more, and then the next day I get right to the edge. I've got to check, I don't know where my long level is, but I'll find it in a minute. I've got to make sure I've got that nice and straight. Can't find my long level. Where is my long level gone? Hang on, be back in a minute. Yo! Right, I've got to check that this is straight. So with a long straight edge, you run it along. And that looks pretty damn good to me. I hope you guys, I hope the camera is in the right position that you can see that. That's how you check if you're straight. So that's good. Now I can load up with my tiles. I'm going to need my cutter, so I've got to put that down here as well, because I'll be cutting into the skirting here. So that's got to come down. I'm going to throw that rubbish out. I'll need my clips, so I'll pop them down here. Once I start tiling, I can put stuff up and just drag my table on the freshly laid tiles. It'll be cool. Couple of breakages, which they were in the packet like that, but I'll just use them for cuts. And we're away laughing. Right, I'll just clean up this mess and I'll get back to you. Bye.